Hi everyone and welcome back. So in this video I wanted to focus and you can say stress on blogging. So you are a beginner developer or maybe intermediate developer having already 2 years of experience, then why you should do the blogging and what are the platform which you should choose when you want to write the blogs. First of all, by doing the blogging, you are actually demonstrating your knowledge in that particular field to outside world. It's like you keep up yourself updated with the tech stack or any tech trends or any changes which are happening in the tech community. Like, okay, today we have a React latest version, Node 20.x. So what are the latest changes are coming? And you might have a thought, okay, I wanted to publish a video or maybe a blog. What are the changes in the JavaScript latest version or maybe in the Node.js latest version? What are the best practices to write React components? So all those things you can do. And if you want to look for the platform which you wanted to write for the blogs, currently there are many. When I started writing the blogs, I think there was only Medium, and I do have a profile on Medium and I do publish lots of blogs. Even you can have on your own website where you can just use a Gatsby is actually a blogging platform. It's actually a CMS platform, Gatsby, which can render the static markdown. It's a framework inspired built on top of React, you can say, where you can render your React components. Also you can create a static markdowns and render them as a blogs. So Gatsby is a platform. Other than that, you can also write on the Medium, and Dev.to is actually really user friendly. You can publish the blog just in few minutes. And what is the pros and cons when you are writing a really nice blog and somebody is looking for that particular topic? Let's say tomorrow I publish a blog how to deploy a Node.js microservice as a Lambda on AWS. Might be there is a particular section of people or developers are looking for this kind of content. You can just publish a simple content is how to scrap a website using Puppeteer, right? So these blogs identify, and these blogs also helps you to build your own tech profile and tech community, and also boost your confidence when it comes to what all you have done, right? You can share whatever the knowledge you have, maybe a short tips and tricks on JavaScript or whatever the API development work you have done on the Nest.js. There are millions of the blogging topics, but when you put it on the blog and share it with the community, you can use social media platform to share it. I have these blogging platform where I am writing lots of blogs. I do create a series, and I share these blogs with the developers, right? What these blogs are mainly JavaScript, Node.js, API, different stacks. In JavaScript, you can build any kind of blogging platform. Here you can see my articles, which are heavily focused on the Nest.js, AWS CDK, AWS, and then again JavaScript, Node.js, TypeScript, Svelte.js, SvelteKit. Yeah, so whatever you know, it's not like, okay, you can write a blog on particular thing. These are like JavaScript top ORM, top GraphQL API development libraries. Similarly, I have written lots of blogs. And these are being read by the developers, and they also appreciate my work whenever they see these things, because these are my own work. Currently the writing blogs is simplified because of ChatGPT. You can get lots of pre-hand content, okay? Because if you can search, okay, give me all the different ways of doing authentication authorization with the Node.js, you will get it. Now you can just structure the content in a particular format, like, okay, what you are going to talk in the blog, what are the basic taglines for the blog, what are the headings, and then just create a proper sections and put a conclusion at the end of the blog. Also share your GitHub link or any video link, so you can showcase your work, not only just theoretical content. Also provide a useful code snippets and a GitHub repository when you are sharing a work, so you will get a GitHub star. Your popularity on the GitHub will also increase. All these things really matters when you are a developer and you wanted to build your profile. So start writing the blogs. Dev.to is really easy platform to add the blogs. Here you can just quickly create a post and submit it. Just write your markdown, add an image, put a tags, okay, it's a JavaScript, Node.js, TypeScript, and just submit it. And then share this blog link to on other platforms so that people can understand your work.